When you're waiting for your son to cook lunch, you do a quick hummus roasted vegetable because I haven't had anything to eat. Like, I'm hungry, guys. But guess what? This here is life. So delicious. So I made homemade hummus, roasted all the veggies, add a little chili lime seasoning. It's ready to go. Have a great day, guys. Finally cooking, y'all. It better be good. That's all I got to say.
Man, quit talking all that yap, man.
Finally, guys. OMG. Jesus Christ. What is that? I know it was. I want them to know. What else you doing?
Salt.
Okay, not much. Not too much now. Not too much.
Just a little bit.
All right. Yeah, okay. A little pepper.
Gotta add a little more black pepper, right?
Some pepper. Okay. What else you got?
Balsamic vinegar, man.
Oh, a little balsamic. Okay, make it work. Cause that little burrito I made me earlier just wasn't enough. So you know you need to make this work. Okay. Okay, bro. Make that work here. You gonna toss? You gonna toss? Oh my God. Yes, Lord. Get all up in there. Y'all know y'all want some? Oh, yes. All right now. Okay, so it's worth the wait, y'all. I know this is going to be on point. Yes. Gotta have me some tahini on here. Here we go. Look at that. Thick, right? Fat, full of flavor. So good. Okay, it was worth the wait, guys. It was worth the wait.